With the growing demand for home entertainment, electronic dartboards have become a favorite choice for families, casual players, and competitive enthusiasts. Much like the appeal of mechanical keyboards for typists and gamers, dartboards attract players who value precision.
List number 1. The Turnart Darts plastic tip set is designed for players who want precision and comfort while playing on electronic dartboards. This professional-grade set includes well-balanced soft-tip darts that are durable enough for both casual games and competitive practice. Crafted with high-quality aluminum shafts and ergonomic barrels, these darts provide a stable grip and reduce bounce-outs. The plastic tips are reinforced for longevity, making them a reliable option for frequent play. Additionally, the set includes spare tips and shafts, so you can easily replace worn parts. What makes this set stand out is its thoughtful design for electronic dartboards, providing the safety of soft tips without sacrificing performance. Beginners will appreciate the balance and grip, while seasoned players will enjoy the consistent throw accuracy. While it doesn't include a dartboard itself, pairing this set with any electronic dartboard ensures a smoother, more professional gameplay experience.
Number 2. The Eastpoint Sports Bristol Dartboard and Cabinet Set offers a stylish and functional package for players who want a complete setup. While traditionally associated with steel-tipped darts, this board is compatible with electronic-style games when paired with soft tips, making it versatile for family fun and casual competition. Constructed with premium Bristol material, it provides excellent self-healing properties, allowing the dart holes to close up after each throw. This ensures long-lasting durability, even after extended use. The cabinet not only protects the board, but also adds a touch of elegance to your game room. The set comes with everything you need: darts, scoreboard, and mounting hardware, so you can start playing right away. Its regulation size makes it a great choice for serious players, while the cabinet keeps things neat and organized. Though it isn't fully electronic, the Eastpoint Sports Set blends tradition with modern features, making it appealing to players who want a classic dartboard feel with a convenient, all-in-one solution. For those who value durability and style, this is a fantastic 2025 pick.
List number 3. The Viper 850 electronic dartboard is a premium option for players who crave technology-driven features. With a regulation 15.5-inch target face, it offers a professional feel while delivering advanced electronic scoring and multiplayer capabilities. This board comes loaded with 50-plus games and over 400 scoring variations, ensuring endless replay value. Its bright LCD screen displays scores clearly, eliminating the hassle of manual scorekeeping. The board also supports up to 16 players, making it a perfect choice for parties or family gatherings. Durability is a highlight. The thin segment dividers minimize bounce-outs, while the concave holes hold darts securely. It includes built-in storage for darts and accessories, keeping your game space organized. Though priced higher than entry-level boards, the Viper 850 is worth the investment for those seeking a professional yet fun experience. Its combination of precision, versatility, and robust features makes it one of the best electronic dartboards of 2025 for serious and casual players alike. List number 4. The Arachnid Cricket Pro 800 is a long-standing favorite among competitive dart enthusiasts, and in 2025, it remains one of the top electronic dartboards available. Designed with tournament-level play in mind, it features a 15.5-inch regulation target area, making it ideal for both practice and competitive matches. One of its standout features is the inclusion of 40 games with 179 variations, including multiple cricket modes. The micro-thin segment dividers significantly reduce bounce-outs, while the nylon-tough segments enhance durability for years of heavy play. Its advanced scoring system tracks averages, handicaps, and multiplayer stats, making it perfect for improving skills. The board supports up to 8 players and has an LED display that keeps score tracking simple and efficient. Though it may be overwhelming for complete beginners, the Cricket Pro 800 is a must-have for serious dart players who want tournament-style performance at home. If you're after precision, reliability, and a wealth of features, this electronic dartboard is a worthy 2025 investment.
List number 5. The Franklin Sports Electronic Dartboard Set is a family-friendly option that balances fun, safety, and affordability. Designed with soft-tip darts, it's ideal for kids, beginners, and casual players looking for an interactive game night. This board features 65 different game variations, ensuring entertainment for players of all skill levels. Its built-in LCD scoring display removes the need for manual scorekeeping, making gameplay smoother and more enjoyable. The board also accommodates multiplayer play, making it a hit at parties and family gatherings. Portability is another highlight. It's lightweight and easy to mount, so you can set it up in different rooms or even take it on the go. The included soft-tip darts are safe for all ages, yet durable enough for regular play. While it may lack the advanced features of high-end boards like the Arachnid or Viper models, the Franklin Sports Board delivers excellent value for money. For casual fun, accessibility, and variety, it stands out as one of the best entry-level electronic dartboards of 2025.